Hey YouTube, are you here because you want to find out how to find more loads for your trucking company? Or maybe you're finding plenty of loads but they don't have enough revenue, or you're not getting enough rate per mile and you want to figure out how to maximize your profits. Or maybe you want to be your own boss and start your own dispatch company. Or maybe you have your own dispatch company and you're trying to figure out how to get more carriers underneath you. Either way, this is the channel for you. Welcome to inMotion Dispatch. My name is John and I own a dispatch company called inMotion Dispatch. When I first started this journey, I created a Facebook group called Freight Industry Network Group for brokers, shippers, carriers, truck drivers, and dispatchers. The link is below if you want to check it out. But one of the questions people always asked in my group was a lot of the questions that I asked you guys in the beginning of the video. So I started this YouTube channel for people like you guys so you guys can learn how to be your own boss or maximize your profits out there in this glorious and wonderful industry. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications for my weekly videos on how to make your business great.